Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door vent grill on your dishwasher. The reason why I might have to do this is because the door vent grill is damaged, missing, or broken. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So this right here is our door vent grill. In order to get it off, we're going to have to turn it counterclockwise until it pops off. And if you can turn it off by hand, great. If not, we can also use a screwdriver to help us out. And we'll just use that to push on it until it comes free. Damage that. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement door vent grill, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to put our door vent grill back into place, and it'll just fall into place when you get it in the right alignment, and then we'll turn it clockwise until it locks into place. And now we can close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.